All right, yesterday we got a first-hand look from inside that storm as Ian made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane. That bird's eye view is courtesy of our very own Chita Craft.
This video taken from inside her flight with the hurricane hunters yesterday morning shows the immense strength of the storm. Now this morning, Chita is live with us from Biloxi, Mississippi.
Chita, we've learned one of the hurricane hunters said Ian was actually one of the roughest flights of his life. What was that experience like for you?
Oh, wow. Was it ever? I mean, extreme turbulence to say the least. In fact, when each passenger was walking onto the WC-130J, the aircraft that we were on yesterday, we received a plastic bag and they said, okay, if your stomach gets the best of you, you've got a plastic bag. 2 hours into the flight, I'm like, I'm fine. I took my Dramamine, my anti-nausea. I was feeling great. And it was the second eye wall passage. We actually passed the eye 4 separate times. And it was the second time my stomach got the best of me. I was the first on the flight that was like, where's that plastic bag again? So I will say it's extreme turbulence. You know, the type of seatbelt that you put on, think of like a roller coaster. And the turbulence was so strong, it would lift you out of your seat, even with a harness like that on you. So an extremely bumpy ride. You're hitting those thunderstorms as you're going into the eye wall, and that's the most intense part. Tons of lightning, in fact, outside of the plane, and you could actually smell the lightning inside the aircraft as well. But I will say the actual experience with the hurricane hunters itself, incredible. I gained so much knowledge and information from them. You know, they do this all the time. And not only will that information on the plane that they collected be used for real-time forecasting like it was yesterday with Hurricane Ian, but they're going to use this for research projects for years in the future to understand how landfalling tropical systems interact with water temperature, air temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, all of that. And all of that was collected on the aircraft yesterday. So an incredible experience indeed. I'll send it back to you.
And you got to experience it all firsthand. Chita Craft live for us in Biloxi, Mississippi. A fun and informative few days for sure.